come. Ethan's way down there in the middle of it. Uh-oh.
Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? Great. My name is Scott. That is Chris. That is Alex. And we have a question for you. We want to know, are you ready?
Ella, are you not going over there? No? Okay. Way up there. Holy crap! Holy crap! Yeah, it's still shooting the green stuff up there. Where's Ethan? Where'd he go? Ethan. Oh, there he is. No. Where the heck is it? Did we lose him? Let's go find Ethan. I know, it's cool, wasn't it? There he is! Was that awesome? Turn around, let's see you. You're all green and slimed out. That was awesome, wasn't it? I have been taking a video of the entire thing. That was cool. Okay.